Hi, this is the INFINIX Zero 30 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So let's first check do we get the AOD option on our INFINIX phone. They installed by default. System navigation, display our apps. Let's start to display settings here. So unfortunately we have no installed by default AOD option, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge and we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps, and near Muviz Edge application tap on the swatcher and go back. Now here on AOD section select one from the available tabs and tap to apply. So now let's just lock the device. Tap here to allow and we could see that the AOD option successfully enabled. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.